Hey friends, if your screen keeps going black when scrolling with mouse on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to update the display and mouse drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the first one and select Update Drivers. Right click on the second one and select Update Drivers. Next one is for mice and other pointing devices. Right click on the first one and update drivers. Right click on the second one and update drivers. The next one is to update Windows. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Click on check for updates in the right pane. The third solution is a clean boot. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. And the last one is system restore. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on open system restore. Click on next, select a good restore point, click on next, on finish, and then on yes to initiate the system restore process. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.